Hello everyone, it's Daniel here from PaintAccess, and we're going to have a quick review about this amazing ProX19. So basically it's designed for small to medium projects, for medium renovators and builders, and I wouldn't probably say that it's for a professional painters. So everyone who's doing like a building side of it, that's a great machine. Now that's we'll just go probably to this table and quickly run. It's pretty powerful motor, so it's 7/8, it's 0.875 horsepower. It's pretty powerful. It's 14 times quicker than brush, 6 times quicker than roller. TrueAirless technology, high pressure power to automate thick paints. So this pretty much motor and whole setup can do pretty good job. We're going to see what's going to come in the box. So that's the unopened box. Let's get the knife, and we'll see what's going to, how it comes inside. That's unpackaged one. So let's just get everything out. Nicely packaged from Graco, thank you. You have all your manuals. It's exactly the same one. So it comes with a 15-meter hose, oil. Oh, sorry, it's not the oil. It's a pump ammo. Sorry. It's got a contractor gun, and it's tip 5-on-5. So that's your general purpose. It's pretty light. That's the handle to assemble. That's it.